Inspire Institute of Technologies Pakistan is offering you UKQ, UK approved, International Diploma in Metallurgy and Welding Technology course. Advanced Welding Technology course, you will learn about the fundamentals of welding metallurgy, which has to do with the classification of the welding processes, alongside the types of welding processes and classification of joints. This course will also teach you about brazing and the principles of brazing, which will lead you into soldering and adhesive bonding, and lastly, solidification and cracking in welding processes. Admission open. For registration, call us on 92-321-5056-755 or WhatsApp us on 92-331-5999-937. Visit our website www.iitpakistan.com.pk or mail us at training@iitpakistan.com.pk.